A lot of people don't do bulk uploads from AliExpress and other Chinese suppliers because they're afraid to upload low quality products and they don't know how to do it on the safe and the right way. In this video, I will show you one special method that will help you to do bulk uploads from AliExpress and other Chinese suppliers on the safe way, so you will not hurt your store and you will make a huge profits. Hello everybody! So before we get started, I want to explain you what's going on. Many people telling me something like, Lior, listen, I don't know what to do because I have problems with Amazon and I don't know with which suppliers to use and to work. And then I always tell them things like, okay, go to any Chinese suppliers that respect dropshippers and want to work with dropshippers and just work on the same method that you work with Amazon using these suppliers. Then what the answer that I always hear is that, but Lior, then I will upload products to my store from AliExpress, for example, with low quality, and it will hurt my store and make a huge damage to my store. So in this video I want to explain you how to work on the right way so you can use the same bulk upload strategies that you work with your United States stores or UK stores, suppliers, but from Chinese suppliers. So let's see. The first thing that we need to understand is that if we find a good supplier inside AliExpress, we can work with this supplier on the same method that we work with any other suppliers. And what do I mean? AliExpress is a marketplace. Marketplace means that there are many different suppliers. Part of them are low quality suppliers and part of them really have great products and high quality products. So we need firstly to identify and to find the suppliers that we want to work with them for a long term and upload their products to our stores without risks. So how to do it? The first thing that we need to do is to go to Google and download an extension which is called AliTools. I will just write AliTools and I will find here the extension, the first result. Go and download this extension. The second thing is that we need to identify good suppliers. And what do I mean by good suppliers? Suppliers that give good customer support. Their products are high quality products and they're a long time in AliExpress as sellers. It means that they will not take risks and they will not hurt you in any way. It means that even if one product will arrive to your customers with low quality, they will just make refund for you because they care about their reputation and their time on AliExpress, their feedbacks and everything, same as you on eBay. So let's see. I will go on AliExpress and actually I can type here anything that I want. So let's say I want to upload shoes stand. I will go here and first thing that I will do, I will just go here to the filters and choose the filter of 4 or more stars. It will make it easier for me. And then here I will also sort by best match or by orders. Let's sort by orders. It means that this supplier sold a lot from this product. But remember, we are not searching for one product. We are searching for the whole supplier because we want to go massively and upload a lot of products. So I will take randomly one product from here and let's see what I see here. So this is the first product that I took. The first thing that I can see here is the amount of followers and the amount of feedbacks. More than 95% feedbacks, positive feedbacks in AliExpress, it's good for us and it's enough. We don't need 98 or 99, 95 or more, it's fine for us as dropshippers because don't forget that we have also the AliExpress Resolution Center, which also comes and secure us for any issue and any problem. Also, suppliers like this will not hurt you because they want to work for a long term with you. So, the first thing that I will do, I will go here and check the extension. So if I open the extension, I can see here some details about the supplier. So we can see that the supplier is active more than 3 years on AliExpress. He will not hurt his account just for 1 or 2 orders. Buyers are happy with this supplier. The products are match their description, which is super important for us. I would not work at all with supplier that this one will not be green. 6% of the buyers are dissatisfied with the products from the seller. It's fine because it's not a high percent, and we can work with these people on eBay using eBay's cases or just a good customer support with them, and we see that they don't have a lot of delays. So the overall of this supplier is 93%, which is amazing for us because, again, the most important things, which are how long the supplier is working on AliExpress and the products match their descriptions, are fine. So I will go to this supplier, I will enter inside his store, then I will go to top selling, so I can find the products which really sells well for them. I don't need to have a head cache, so it's easy for me to find products here. And then what I will do here, the first thing that we can do is also sort here by orders. We can sort by prices if you don't want to work with expensive products, so you can just sort by price. And then what I will do, I will open the extension of AutoDS, the AutoDS helper. If you didn't download the extension, go to Google, write AutoDS helper, and you will find this extension really fast. So you can see it here. Then I will just click the extract button and I will get all of the products from this page. This is how we found one supplier. Now, when you see that you are starting work with this supplier consistently and you have a good sales from them, so you can also send them a message, get coupons from them, you can contact with them by WeChat, and you can start work with them directly without the high prices of AliExpress, because you will get coupons from them. So this is a great way to find suppliers and products for bulk uploads easily and really on the safest way. You saw in only few minutes I found a good supplier, which now I can always follow them and upload his products. You can also click the follow button, follow the supplier, and getting updated when they list new products and things like this. So now we have 24 products. I will go to AutoDS, I will copy these products. I can also click the extract button, the export as CSV button, and list it as CSV. But I will go to AutoDS, bulk upload, put it here, choose AliExpress, and that's all. It's really easy. It works exactly the same way as any other supplier. You don't need to care about this, that this is Chinese suppliers, because again, good seller is a good seller. It doesn't mean from which country they are, and you can see that people are happy with their products and working with them. So there is no reason to not work with bulk uploads from these suppliers. I hope that this video helped you. I will release more videos about other Chinese suppliers and about other products finding methods and top suppliers. So follow us, click on subscribe on this YouTube channel, and check the description for more links to other videos related to this one. Also, don't forget to comment down under this video for any question that you have about this video or any other dropshipping related video or question. I'm always here to help. I promise you that I go every day over our YouTube channel and helping and answering people about any question. See you on the next videos. Bye bye.